I joined this church, this religion, because I felt like I would be loved and accepted. But the moment that I said I no longer shared your beliefs, I was shunned. I wasn't even
So
baptized.
this evening, brothers and sisters,
I don't understand why.
Look forward to our
You won't
meeting this
speak to
evening.
me.
Yeah, call the police, we will.
And so
I understand.
we appreciate
Okay. I really don't feel like that was proper of any of you. If this is supposed to be a religion of love,
well, we all need refreshment this evening.
shunning me
You
is
know,
not
when
the
you
way.
think about
Just because I don't share
the
your
world in
beliefs.
which we live in, we all need to be refreshed.
Dear brothers and sisters,
So
I am
when you think about the things that we have to do and say,
listen.
it's really important
Research your religion
that
because there are
we
people being harmed by it.
continue
My mother was a victim.
to
She actually
be
died.
able
The
to-
ever-changing blood doctrine that you guys purport. She actually died at the tender age
Well,
of
as
only
we
32
continue
years
to
old. She was
look
also
forward to our
baptized into
meeting,
this religion at age 12
one of the things
and
that
married at
we-
age 15.
we can appreciate
Now, also,
is
there are
that
children being abused and nobody is doing anything about
we
it.
hope that
The
this
elders,
meeting
they will
tonight
not record
refreshes us.
They will not.
When you think about some of the highlights of tonight's meeting, what we look forward to, we look forward to treasures from God's Word.
Sorry, 1,000 pedophiles and 2,000
Highlight how Jesus
need to pay attention
offered
to those
refreshment to
children
us.
being harmed. And then
When we get to our digging for spiritual gems,
please, also,
we'll look for
go
the
and
answer
research.
to this
Go to
question.
Google, go to jwfacts.com.
It's why did John the Baptist ask this question based upon Matthew the 11th chapter,
It kills all of our
verses
loved
2 and
ones.
3.
Please, I beg of you. Please.
And then we'll get into our Bible reading this evening, and then we'll apply yourself to the ministry. We'll get to see our second and third return visits, as that's highlighted tonight, and then how that progresses to a Bible study. And then we'll look forward to living as Christians. We'll have a video. Refresh all those
Please
12
look up the
as well as
Australian Royal Commission.
then we'll
very much. We do
Okay,
appreciate it.
please don't get so close to me,
we've
sir.
already-
Okay, I'm gonna go out this way.
Are you okay? Which way are you going to go up? So you're going to go
The Watchtower is being sued
Yeah, thank you very
$4,000
much
a
for your
day.
appreciation. No,
Okay, this can be assault, sir.
it's not
And because they will not release the database of pedophiles in the congregation.
You're not
You
invited
need to
here.
move out of my face,
You need
sir.
to leave
out of my
here.
face, sir.
You're not invited.
Okay, but I can't move
You-
past you,
Okay,
sir.
go this way. Get out. You're not invited here.
They're being sued $4,000 a day because they will not release the pedophile database
Now.
of the Kingdom Hall.
You need to leave.
Of the pedophiles in the Kingdom Hall. Please look into it. Save your children. Your children are in danger.
Let's go.
I'm going, sir.
No, you need to go.
I'm
now.
going.
We need to go. Hey, yeah.
Please. You call the police on me, but not on pedophiles?
Let's go ahead and talk about that
The
outside.
elders are not required to call the
ready to go?
police unless they're
Let's go.
two witnesses.
Let's go.
Okay, we'll follow her out.
Okay.
No one wants to hear.
You're not invited.
We
Next
care
thing.
about children. We care about your children.
Come on outside.
Yes, sir. I'm leaving.
Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Please look up jwfacts.com.
Chapter 10, verse 29 and 30. And let's take a look at what kind of
I
refreshment.
think you should respect personal space, sir.
Get out. Thank you.
I hope you think Jesus is
The deal
proud?
is, folks, is that we're concerned about the two-witness rule and how it protects pedophiles.
Let's go.
The
ahead and
Watchtower
go. Let's go
organization
ahead and go. Let's go.
does not protect children properly.
Go ahead and go. Let's
You
go.
can Google
Let's go.
Candace
Let's go.
Conti.
Let's
Go
go.
ahead
Let's
and
go.
go.
How you doing?
Come on. Let's go.
You can Google
You're not invited here. Let's go now.
And they're calling.
Okay.
Okay.
At the time when Jesus
So Google everything you can about this religion.
coming now, so-
Stop your shunning of your loved ones.
points out that at the time when Jesus said this, 2 sparrows or small birds cost.
Please do your research, folks.
One is there.
Do not follow the two-witness rule.
About the wage a man could earn in 45 minutes of work at that time.
Stop using the two-witness rule to protect
Jesus said at
pedophiles,
another
guys.
point in his ministry that 5 sparrows could be.
Adios, folks.
you want to
You
talk.
do, and you have pedophiles inside the congregation. That's fine.
That's fine.
How do you came in here and you're assuming that there's pedophiles inside my congregation?
I'm not. No, not inside yours, but in
our meeting.
your
You got
people
our kids
need
in
to.
here crying, but you feel like what you're
Your
doing is
people
fine?
need to know. Yes, your people need to know. You're not. You have information control. You're not allowed to look for research.
Research, but there's a way.
No,
of going
Jehovah's
about
Witnesses
doing
are not
it.
allowed.
It's
When I was a Jehovah's Witness, I trusted the Jehovah's
What do you
Witnesses.
think I had to leave
Because-
for? I researched. I looked outside, and that's why I had to leave.
At least take this to see why.
Once again,
Information control. Information control.
Doing it, and what y'all
And
did
we-
was not right.
No,
There's
it
more that
was.
we are going about it in
What you're
multiple
doing is not
ways.
right by keeping these facts from your
Absolutely
your
For
members.
shunning me because of the research that I did. That's not right.
Okay, y'all have a nice day.
Have a nice night.